Hello guys and welcome to CryptoBull. In this video we are going to take a look at one project which is currently going up in price, and it has gone up in price over 50%. As you can see here guys, Bitcoin is currently going down, Bitcoin price is dropping, and today we are going to talk about the project which is act.io. It's currently up 48%. Currently the price is $6.35 guys, and maximum supply of this cryptocurrency is 100 million, and circulating supply is 13 million, and market capitalization is 81 million guys. And this is one of those reasons why I decided to take a deeper dive into this project and take a look what this project is about guys. And actually this is a real company. This is not just some project which is created with an anonymous team, but this act.io has a 50 employees. Here on YouTube you can also check the Act World Blockchain Summit where they did a presentation of this cryptocurrency. I will not be playing it as I might get a YouTube strike on my video, but I will leave this link, so as all other links to this project, if you are interested, in description of this video. So let's take a look, let's take a deeper dive in what act.io is. So firstly, this is developed by a real company. This is not some anonymous projects, which is the case of 99% of projects which are built, and what they are building is mobile application. This is one thing you can already download, as you can see, grow and spend your money like never before. So the main purpose of this project, to sum it up just before I dive in, if someone doesn't want to watch all video, is that you can store your cryptocurrencies on this app and you can spend it with debit card, and on all assets which you are keeping on this app you can make profits, and those profits you can spend also with cards. So as you can stake this act cryptocurrency. Now let's go step by step. Let's take a look at company first. This is one of the most interesting things guys, because this is the real company which is based in Europe, and you can see all team members here at Automata Limited. This is the limited company. We have launched act.io to transform the world of finance by taking power out of the hands of the traditional institutions and putting in the hands of our users. Whenever you are getting some money, you can straight away deposit into this act application, into different assets, into cryptocurrencies, and you can start making interest on them. Once you are making interest, you can spend it with debit card. We will get to the debit card also in a second, and here's what we have accomplished. And here the main thing behind this project is the team, which is absolutely transparent, and there are 50 team members. Like I mentioned, there is the video on YouTube. Go and check this out guys, where they are doing presentation in Blockchain Summit in 2021 on Act project guys. Go and check that. That will summarize up more for this project. However, that was 1 year ago when they still haven't launched the app, but now app is launched. Now let's take a look at products. As you see, there is earn more, earn daily, forget about your old savings account. Yes guys, because if you would be keeping your money in bank, for example, you would be getting maybe 1% of interest on your investment or on your deposit, or for example if on your savings account, where here with cryptocurrencies they have created a software which is generating more profits guys. And when you are making profits, as you can see, all you need to do is to download this application guys. As you see, start earning daily with our vaults. You can deposit into the vault and you can earn up to 10% API on euro. I'm also from Europe guys. This is also one thing why I decided to take a look at it, because this is also in euro. If you deposit fiat money in euro, you can earn only up to 4%. However, if you are investing in this ACT token, which we just previewed guys, the token ticker is ACTIO. If we go back here guys, you can see the ticker is ACTIO. Here is this vault, which is ambassador vault, where you can invest in these act.io tokens. So if you are buying these act.io, you can earn up to 10% guys. And whenever you are making, as you see, there is their application which at the front page. If we go back into act.io, you can see that you can download for your Apple phone on App Store, and you can download it for Android on Google Play. So first thing is earning, but you can also also spend your money once you are earning, or your profits. As you see, spend what you earn anywhere, anytime. Today your money is either invested and unavailable to spend, or available in current account when it often generates no return and loses value to inflation. And at act.io we believe you shouldn't have to choose between earning returns and keeping access. What they are saying here is, guys, that you can spend your investment, even you can spend it straight away, and you can do it by this credit card or debit card which they have issued. Spend with your crypto. This means that if you are keeping a crypto, you can use this as also as a crypto wallet, guys. Spend with your financial assets. So if you have invested your assets, you can spend, and you can spend freely anywhere with your with this debit card all around the world, and all of your assets all in one card, guys. And this is the card, this is the Visa card, and they have partnered also with Visa. And as you know, guys, most of these companies which are out there, guys, they don't have access to banking system or traditional, because they are private, or they are, for example, anonymous teams, guys. And these types of companies, for example, if they would want to create some gateway to cryptocurrency and fiat, they would need to have a limited company, and this act.io exactly has this, and they are real company. And Erner Morner daily, guys, come in and read out more about this project. But in general, like I mentioned, what they are doing here is that they are creating this app. They have this app already. They have already, by the way, gathered over $30 million in ICO, which they created in 2021, and now they are also doing this giveaway. As you can see here, guys, they will be giving away 1 million. Once they will reach 100,000 users on this application, 100,000 downloads of this application, the first users of this application will be included also in this giveaway, where 1 million worth Actio tokens will be given away to first 100,000 users. If you would like to participate, just click in there, participate, and here, as you can see, Actio coin giveaway, first 100,000 users only. To celebrate the upcoming launch of our app, we are offering an incredible opportunity to win a large prizes of Actio coin, guys. And to participate, here you need to download this application, and you need to trade a minimum amount of $50. And once you have traded $50, you already will win up to 200 euros of Actio coin. And there are other conditions. You can come in and read more about this if you would like to participate in this 1 million euro Actio coin giveaway. So yes, guys, in general, I find this project interesting. I like that this is a real company, this is a transparent company, and like I mentioned, if you are interested to watch that video which I showed you at the very start, check out the description, guys, where they are doing a presentation in Dubai in Blockchain Summit about this project. So yes, this was my quick review on act.io. Hope that you found this video useful. If you did, leave a like, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and see you in the next one.